So as you can see, definitely the unit is leaking, and it appears I could pick up a much higher concentration on this side than I can the other side. But I'm not even going to go through the labor of taking all this off because this panel goes up and over. It's underneath this. I started taking it apart. The labor is going to be too high. We're replacing the whole unit. It's under warranty, but I wouldn't want a unit that's been operating for the past several days with next to no refrigerant in it. The compressor discharge 6 inches away from on the line was 230 degrees, and that means the center core temperature is about 50 to 75 degrees hotter than that. That puts you up there close to that 300 degree temperature. I literally can boil water on the pipes coming out of the compressor, and as you can see, this is located way up here. It took 4 guys once the unit to get the unit up, 4 guys to get the unit up on a forklift, get it up here, shuffle it off, put it in place. Here in San Francisco, I'm considered cheap at $173 an hour is cheap. Plus we're gonna have a team of 4 guys to get this off of here, 4 guys to get the new one up here, plus the charge for the thing. So this is gonna bank into about 3 grand just to replace a new unit. So this is 100% failure rate. So there's 2 units up here. There's one right here, and there's one over there. That one failed last week, and that just came, the piece that went out on it that I drove around. There was 3 or 4 different places trying to find at electrical warehouses, and then the electrical warehouses sent me to a controls place that had similar but not the same unit. This little relay right here that controls the unit for the fan, that died on that unit, and then this one died. So for this company, it's a 100% failure rate on this installation. Having nothing to do, this has nothing to do with installation. That's just on the control side. And this one has a leak, having nothing to do with installation. That's a quality thing. So yeah, right now we're looking at the cost of repairs and diagnostic basically coming up to the price of one of these 6 grand units on a brand new installation, only a couple months old. So that is it. And if you want to see what model numbers, if anybody sees this and they have a problem with their units dying just after installation by a couple months with the same problems. This little relay went out on the other one, and on this one there's a leak somewhere back in the coil side. It's not strong over here. I pick up the leak detection up on the other side. And model number, this is, let's see, there's serial number, and there's the part number for the unit. So any other customers out there buy these and have 100% failure rate on your installation of a few of these units, or even a 50% failure rate if you have 4 and 2 die, and apparently there got to be, you can't have one place get 2 units that just die in a few months. And one is a relay and the other one is low charge. All right guys, see you later. Just let anybody know that if they're having very expensive repairs right after stuff in warranty and failures in their rooms, yeah, 100% failure rate, I don't think so.